let's take a look at constructing a parallel line. All right, so we're going to take a look at how do I build a line parallel to a given line through a given point. And we're going to, again, start with our compass tool, and we will go ahead and throw that in at basically any random point you want. In fact, let's do that. Let's also give ourselves a little guideline. So build a line from the center of that circle you just built through your given point, and this will just kind of establish an angle for it. Having this angle is going to be super important because if we can copy the angle, we know that corresponding angles of parallel lines have congruent angles. So ideally, we want to copy this angle. So here we go. We've got this start, and we're going to identify this angle, like copy this angle, and we're basically going to try to slap that angle on to A over here. All right, so we can go from our point there and measure that. So now we can copy our angle. And so let's go do the copy trick here. Take our compass back over our starting point, make it the same size, and then move it so that it's over A. And then we'll do the same thing with the second circle we had created, centered at the intersection point, and make it as big as the other one we had created right there. And then click and drag that so it's centered at our new intersection point. Let's make sure we're here. Yeah, there's that. Okay, so I want to make sure we're on the right circle outside. There we go. Okay. Again, if these lines start getting confusing, you can hide them as well. That'll help you a little bit. And so now you have that intersection again. Because there's so much going on, I'm going to start to hide my initial rulers and compasses that we use. And so that'll make this much more clear for me to see. And we don't need this either. Or those, really. Let's hide those. But what we do need is that point. And so we're going to go from A, our given point, through our intersection point. And that looks pretty darn parallel. That actually looks pretty good to me. And we can confirm this. Let's go see. We've got angle 1, 2, 3 points there is 70. Angle here is 70. Yes. So we've got corresponding angles that are congruent. That is great news. And as we continue to explore in the parallel lines unit, you're going to find that those are congruent and these ones are supplementary. Although there's a rounding error going on there that should add up to 180. That should have been 110. Oh, well, tried to throw something cool in there and it didn't work. But anyways, nonetheless, the part that you want for your construction, you can go ahead and hide these now. And there's your parallel lines. So you can actually even hide that guideline. Boom. Get rid of a couple more pieces there. All right, so now we've cleaned everything up. We can unhide it all so it's in that stencil format and you've got your parallel lines. Excellent work. Have a great day. We'll see you all soon.